Hello friends, myself Mrs. Mohana Karangare. I am back with new topic extrinsic semiconductor. Most of the electronic active components are manufactured by extrinsic semiconductors. When the atoms or impurity either trivalent or pentavalent is added to the intrinsic semiconductor to increase either the number of electrons or holes. Such type of semiconductors called as extrinsic semiconductor. The process of adding an impurity to the pure crystal of semiconductor called as doping. A doped semiconductor is an extrinsic semiconductor. The two types of extrinsic semiconductors are N-type semiconductor and P-type semiconductor. So first we discuss about N-type semiconductor. A semiconductor with maximum electrons called as N-type semiconductors. N-type semiconductor is formed by adding pentavalent impurity to the pure semiconductor. The doping atoms are arsenic, antimony, phosphorus, etc. They have 5 valence electrons. Each pentavalent atom has 5 electrons in the outermost orbit. Now, 4 of them will form covalent bond with silicon or germanium atom. Therefore, one extra electron becomes free electron here. Since this electron is far away from the nucleus and it is free from covalent bond, it is available as a conduction band electrons for carrying the current. Thus, in N-type semiconductor, we get more electrons in addition to thermally generated electron hole pairs. Here, pentavalent electrons are known as donor electrons and the pentavalent atom is called as donor atom because it donates the electrons to silicon or germanium. Now, p-type semiconductors. A semiconductor with excess number of holes called as p-type semiconductor. A trivalent impurity is added to the pure form of crystal, then forms a p-type semiconductor. For example of trivalent impurities are aluminium, boron, gallium, indium, etc. And they are used as a acceptor impurity. Since each trivalent atom has 3 valence electrons, they will form covalent bond with silicon atom, but fourth silicon atom is unstable to form the covalent bond here with the boron atom because boron do not have fourth valence electron. Thus, an empty space is called as hole and it is created because of the trivalent atom. Now, doping with the number of trivalent atoms in p-type semiconductor formed where the more holes are available for carrying the current. This hole can accept one electron from the trivalent impurity and it is called as acceptors. Thermally generated electron hole pairs are there. So the electrons are few and they are called as minority carriers and holes are called as majority charge carriers.